Hello everyone, my name is Bharti C. In this video we are discuss about the features of Java. Let's get started. Java is a very easy to learn and its syntax is simple, clean and easy to understand. According to the Sun, Java language is a simple programming language because Java syntax is based on C++, so easier for programmer to learn it after C++. Java has removed many complicated and rarely used features. For example, explicit pointers, operator overloading, etc. Second feature is object-oriented. Java is an object-oriented programming language. Everything in Java is an object, class, etc. Object-oriented means we organize our software as a combination of different type of objects that incorporate both data and behavior. Object-oriented programming is a methodology that simplifies the software development and maintenance and by providing some rules. The basic concept of the OOPs are object, class, inheritance, polymorphism, abstraction, encapsulation. And third one is feature is compiled and interpreted. Java compiler translates the source code into a bytecode. That bytecode is not a machine code. And Java interpreter convert the bytecode to machine code that can be directly executed by a machine that is running the Java program. Java is both compiled and interpreted, but the previous language C or C++ only compile or interpreted, but Java is the first compiled and next it is interpreted. So it is called Java is a compiled and interpreted language. Next one is a platform independent. Java is a platform independent because it is different from other language like C, C++, etc., which are compiled into platform specific machines, while Java is a write once, run anywhere language. A platform is the hardware or software environment in which a program runs. There are two types of the platform softwares based on the hardware based. Java provides a software based platform. It has two components, runtime environment and application program interfaces. In application program interfaces, we write the program and compile it. And second one, the run environment is to interpret our Java program. Java code has its run on a multiple platform. For example, Windows, Linux, Sun Solaris, Mac operating system, etc. Java code is compiled by the compiler and converted into bytecode. This bytecode is a platform independent code because it can be run on multiple platforms. Example, write once and run anywhere. Java is a secured language. Java is best known for its security. With Java, we can develop virus-free system. Java is secured because no explicit pointer. Java programs run inside a virtual machine sandbox and it contains the class loader. Class loader in a Java is a part of the Java runtime environment, that is a JRE, which is used to load Java classes into a Java virtual machine dynamically. And in JVM contains, it adds as a security by separating the package for the classes of the local file system from those are imported from the network sources. And fourth one, JVM contain bytecode verifier. It checks the code fragments for illegal code that can violate access to right to the objects. Fifth is the security manager. It determines the resources, what resources a class can access, such as reading and writing the local disk. Next one is a robust. Robust simply means strong. Java is robust because it uses a strong memory management. There is a lack of pointers that avoids the security problems. Second one is there is a automatic garbage collection in Java which runs on the Java. Third one is a virtual machine to get rid of objects which are not being used by a Java application anymore. Fourth one is there are exception handling and the type checking mechanism in Java. Exception handling means if any errors in our program, our program cannot be run, but we want to run that program. If errors also, and the type checking means it at the runtime and compile time only the data type it can be checked in mechanism in a Java. All these points make a Java is a robust. Next one is the architectural neutral. Java is a architectural neutral because there are no implementation depend features. For example, the size of the primitive type is fixed. In C programming, int data type occupies 2 bytes of memory for 32-bit architecture and 4 bytes for memory for the 64-bit architecture. However, it occupies the 4 bytes of memory for both 32 and 60-bit architecture in Java. Java is a portable. Java is a portable because it facility to you to carry the Java is a portable because it facility to you to carry the Java bytecode to any platform. It does not require any implementation. High performance. Java is a faster than other traditional interpreted programming language because Java bytecode is a close to native code. It is still a little bit slower than a compiled program. Example C++. Java is an interpreted language, that is why it is a slower than compiled language. Example C and C++, etc. Distributed. Java is a distributed because it facilitates a user to create distributed function in Java. That is RIM and JEB are used for creating the distributed application. RIM means Java Remote Method Invocation. It allows an object in one system to access an object of running on the other system. Totally, it provides the remote communication between the Java. And second one is EJB is Enterprise Java Beans. EJB is a runtime container for beans that are deployed to an application server. The container is automatically created when the application server startup and services as an interface between the beans and a runtime services. These features of Java makes us usable to access file to calling the method from any machine on the internet. Multi-threaded. A thread is like a separate program or tiny program executing concurrently. We can write Java program that deal with the many tasks at once by defining the multiple threads. The main advantages of multi-threading is that it does not occupy the memory for each thread. It shares a common memory area. Threads are important for multimedia and web application, etc. Dynamic. Java is a dynamic language. It supports dynamic loading of classes. It means classes are loaded on demand. It also supports function from its native language, that is C and C++. Java supports dynamic compilation, automatic memory management, that is garbage collection. The today's thought is the roots of the educations are bitter, but the fruit is a sweet. Thanks for watching. Do not forget like the video. Do not forget to subscribe. Thank you.